இனிமே படத்தை பார்த்து வாங்காதீங்க. 100% கடலை எண்ணெயான்னு படிச்சு பார்த்து வாங்குங்க.
கடலை எண்ணெயில் நம்பர் 1 மிஸ்டர் கோல்ட் 100% கடலை எண்ணெய்.
இது எங்களோட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் படம் டெபியூ. நீங்க தமிழ்ல கொடுக்குறீங்கன்றதே நம்ப முடியல. உங்களுக்கு எப்படி இருக்காது?
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைரக்ட் தமிழ் ஃபிலிம் என்ன சொல்லணும்னா இட்ஸ் a very surreal moment. எதுக்குன்னா எவ்ரி ஒன் நோஸ் தமிழ் இண்டஸ்ட்ரி வந்து டெபியூ பண்ணணும்னு ரொம்ப ஆசையில் இருந்தேன். இப்போ பாசிபிள் ஆச்சு. ஸோ I'm super excited. April 2nd I start being a Tamil heroine. So I'm very excited and it makes me truly happy. And now that I get to say, as in be a part of saying Sultan's story, makes me feel even more happy because of course this film is not just a film of entertainment, it's a film of substance, it's a film of a message in itself. So I don't think, as in I'm proud to be a part of this film rather than saying I'm happy to be a part of this film. I'm proud to be a part of this film.
இப்போ நீங்க டோட்டலா டிஃபரெண்டா வில்லேஜ் ரோல் பண்றீங்க. நிறைய சேத்துலலாம் இறங்கி வர்க் பண்ண போட்டோ ஸ்டில்ஸ் எல்லாம் பார்த்தோம். சோ அது எப்படி இருக்கு? அந்த எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் எப்படி இருந்தது உங்களுக்கு?
ஆக்சுவலி வந்து இனிஷியலா when I knew I wanted to work in Tamil industry, I said, Paranga, for my first Tamil film, I want to be a girl who's from village, who's got that get up, who's telling a story, who's real and who's strong. And I was very clear on how I wanted to be debuted in the industry. And Sultan Vandatappo, it made me extremely happy because it is exactly what I was looking for. It was exactly what I was manifesting for and I got it. So yeah, it was very exciting. Ana ange poi shoot pannanappo it was extremely hot because we were shooting in Dindigal and the weather, I think we were shooting in summer and it was huge space. They had put a set and there were mountains and all of that. So it was a difficult location to be shooting in. And also this character, she's riding the tiller, she's holding the she's holding the animals just like that. You know how they do it in the village, and I'm not used to that. So it was all very new. Anna, I had super fun. So I think even now I keep raving about, you have to watch me in Sultan because it is mental. It's all the tape. So I think I'm just very excited for the April 2nd.
So first of all, congratulations Top Tuckerக்கு. பயங்கர வைரலா போயிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. And talking about Sultan, hundreds of rowdiesக்கு நடுவுல நின்னுட்டு இருக்கீங்க. So dialogues தமிழ்ல எல்லாம் எப்படி நீங்க மனப்பாடம் பண்ணி அந்த ஷாட்ல பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணீங்க? அந்த சீக்ரெட் பத்தி சொல்லுங்களேன்.
ரவுடிஸ்க்கு வந்து நான் தான் ரவுடி. So I think all the rowdies are scared of me. Yeah, so I'm like, hey, don't annoy me. All of you sit in one place, keep your hands on the lip. But even if they're rowdies and films and all, no, they're dolls, man. Like I'm like, how can ana rowdy பாப்பீங்களா? Like you, yeah, look rowdy தான் இருப்பீங்க, but மனசு வந்து ரொம்ப they're childish, they're small. So I feel motherly love to all these boys.
இப்போ டைரக்டர் தமிழ் ஃபிலிம் டெபியூ பண்றீங்க. எப்படி இருக்கு இந்த
As in
அனுபவம்?
for me, it takes me 1-2 days to get comfortable. When I get the dialogues and all, I'm like, this I can do. So all the dialogues were quite easy. But when in the morning I have to speak in Hindi or Telugu and now I have to speak in Tamil, now I need 1 day at least.
நீங்களும் கார்த்தி சாரும் வந்து செட்ல எப்படி?
But settle வந்து I think I like working in easy atmosphere. இப்போ வந்து ஸ்டார் வந்தாங்க, everyone should get up, everyone should sit like this னா முடியாதுங்க. For me it has to be like everyone are pulling each other's leg, everyone are enjoying, everyone are dancing in one corner, everyone are playing cricket. That is a set I like to be in. And I think our setல வந்து all of them were pulling my leg. I was equally irritating everyone. So we were a good mix of everything. And Karthi sir, he's a big actor, all of us know, but in the set when he comes, he's just like, you know, one of our friends. And that's why I was saying, you know, I found a friend in you, because he was more like my friend than like my co-star. So I was like, yeah, the world needs more people like you. God bless you. Thank you for your existence. I know. I honestly was like, Hare, Tamil industry is my industry. Full chilya, those, you know, those kids are my kids. Are the now I'm like, Arey, Baki. I was talking to Baki Raj sir, and I was like, sir, it actually na first Tamil pada sir. Namma module sir. It is a surreal moment, because all my life I've been watching Tamil films, and now I'm in the Tamil industry, and I'm working with such amazing people with such good content. I'm like, okay, wait a second. இதுக்குன்னு லாக்டவுனில் வந்து I was sitting at home. I lost the touch of being an actor. I'm like, now I'm just one girl. I'm sitting and talking to my parents. I'm here, I'm chilling. But suddenly I'm like, I'm in an industry. I'm an actor. Oh my god, it's a responsibility. I'm like, oh shit, this is happening. Yeah, like it's just like one poke in my bubble and my bubble bursts, and I'm like, I'm an actor. I'm like, now how do I react? But it's special, yeah. I've always wanted to be in Tamil industry. It's finally happening. So I'm here. Thank you.
ஸோ இப்போ டேரெக்டாக டெபியூ பண்ணுறதுல தமிழ் ஆடியன்ஸ் உங்களை எப்படி வரவேற்பாங்கன்னு நீங்கள் நினைக்கிறீங்க? அந்த லவ் எப்படி இருக்குது, இது வரைக்கும் எப்படி இருந்திருக்கு?
And I think because they're from Chennai, no, and my father, like I said, we've grown up watching Tamil films, and now that I have well-wishers from Chennai, I'm like, I feel nice. I feel nice. All of us will put some Tamil song and we'll dance to it, okay? And we'll eat pongal, okay?
5 வருஷத்தில் இண்டஸ்ட்ரிக்கு வந்து சினிமாவில் வந்து நிறைய விஷயங்கள் நீங்கள் சாதிச்சிருக்கீங்க. ஸோ ஹவு பிளெஸ்ட் யூ ஃபீல் இந்த டைமில்?
I am definitely blessed. I don't know if I'm blessed by God or I'm blessed by people, because I feel like I've received so much love, and I keep receiving so much love. No matter where I go, they're just so accepting. I don't know what I've done to deserve this love, but I feel like now, because there is so much of love, I have responsibility. Now I need to choose films which will make people happy and give content which, you know, entertain people, because I'm an entertainer. Now I have that responsibility. So if you say, am I blessed? I am blessed, but I'm blessed with the love.
சென்ட்ராயன் சார் அண்ட் யோகி பாபு சார், ஸோ 2 பேர் இருக்கும் போது ஆன்செட் அட்ராசிட்டிஸ்லாம் எப்படி இருக்கு? உங்களை ஏதாவது வந்து பயங்கரமாக கலாய்ச்சிருக்காங்களா? உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது புரிஞ்சுதா? அவங்க வந்து ட்ரை பண்ணாங்களா ஏதாவது பேசுறதுக்கு?
Actually, Yogi Babu sir ne ippo I was shooting for Pushpa in Tenkasi, and I just met him there. He was staying right next door, and I was like, sir, how long it's been since I've seen you? Because I remember in Sultan's set also, expression, he doesn't do any expression. He'll just give off one, you know, what dialogue like that, one liner like that, and you won't realize it's a joke, but after that you're thinking about it and you're laughing. He's that kind of a person. And Settler vandu, when sir is given one dialogue, he'll own the dialogue. He won't say it like how, you know, it is supposed to be said. He will say it in his own way, and we have to just take the cue. So you need to be present. Like when he's saying something, you need to be present, because if you miss the timing, the humor is off. You know, so it was a task to work with such good actors, but well, I became a better actor working with such good actors. Industrial I learned one thing, ma'am. No matter what, even if it's a good thing or a bad thing, never take out names. That one thing I've learned. Hard way or a good way, I've learned it. But for sure, I would love to do more Tamil films, because till now I was saying Sultan release, like after Sultan's release, I'll start signing Tamil films, because I wanted to see how people will like me, because every state, you know, because of different culture, the reactions are different. So I was like, after Sultan's release, I'll start signing Tamil films.
இந்த படத்தோட சாங் ரீச் பற்றி சொல்லுங்களேன்.
We heard all the songs, and I was telling Vivek sir and Mervin sir that, sir, நீங்க பாஸ் ஆயிட்டீங்க, like you've passed your exam. இப்போ வந்து April 2nd is our result time. So I don't know how it's going to be, but you just heard the music. They're amazing. My introduction song, like my song. I own that song. I'm not giving it to anybody. That's my song.
ஹிந்தில வந்து மூவி பண்றீங்கன்னு கேள்விப்பட்டோம். என்ன மாதிரி எக்ஸ்பெக்டேஷன்ஸ்லாம் நாங்க எதிர்பார்க்கலாம்?
I think in my Hindi debut, more than well, I can't reveal anything. So, but I shot for it for 14-15 days. I shot for it, and it is super nice. As in, initially, of course, you're going into north. South, our people, our cultures are similar, languages are understanding and all of that. But I thought going to north, I'm kind of going to find it hard. And luckily, I don't know, I think I attract nice people somehow. Because even that film Crew, I was shooting in Lucknow. I wasn't even shooting in Bombay. And Lucknow, I think I was so comfortable. It was so nice, that team. It makes me feel like, arey yaar, let's go to that film now again. Let's go shoot there now again. Our feeling on the trip. So I think I'm enjoying. It's nice. And you'll like the film also if you watch.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் யுவன் அவர்களோட சேர்ந்து டாப் டக்கர் இப்போ வரைக்குமே ட்ரெண்டிங்கில் இருக்க அந்த சாங் அப்படின்னு சொல்லணும். ஸோ அந்த ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்கு உங்களுக்கு ஆல் ஓவர் இந்தியா?
I think Yuvan sir, I met him during the shoot itself. Yeah, the set only. And I find him to be so cute. Like dancing with him was so easy. You can see it on the video only. You can see me having fun, dancing with Yuvan sir. But all of us know what a mastermind he is, and I got to share the dance with him, so I'm happy. And he's one very quiet, fellow. So I only would go and be like, sir, and it was cold. We were shooting in Chandigarh, and it was super cold. I was like, sir, it's cold, no, sir. Sir, we'll go off to Chennai, sir. Podu, sir, let's go back.
எல்லாருமே ரொம்ப எக்ஸைட்டடாக இருக்கும் சுல்தான்காக. நீங்கள் எவ்வளோ எக்ஸைட்டடாக இருக்கீங்க? எந்த ஒரு விஷயத்துக்காக ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டே ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஷோ பார்க்கணும் நீங்கள் ஆசைப்படுறீங்க?
ஃபேன்ஸு ஆஸ் இன் இப்போது எவ்வளோ ஹாப்பியாக இருக்கேன்னா ஐ திங்க் தட் மெயின் ரீசன். பிகாஸ் இனிஷியலி நெகட்டிவிட்டி ரொம்ப டார்ச்சராக இருந்தது. பட் ஐ திங்க் ஃபார் நவ், because I see such strong love from my fans, or fans, I don't like calling them fans. I just call them like, I don't know, I just can't call them as fans. I don't know what to call. I can call them Russians, but okay. But that aside, what am I saying? I think because of their strong love, I'm not getting into the negative space. Now I just want to work, I just want to make them happy. I just want to see smiles on their faces, and they mean the world to me. So it's my family, friends, and my well-wishers. So I have mama feelings for them. I'm protective and I have love.
இந்த ஒரு பர்டிகுலர் ஜான்ரா நான் ட்ரை பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கோம் இல்லையா? ஸோ உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப ஃபேவரட்டானது எது? ஸோ இதில் வந்து 100% என்னால் வெளியில் என்னோட எக்ஸ்பிரஷனை கொண்டு வரணும். நீங்கள் எது செலக்ட் பண்ணுவீங்க?
ये genre. Yes. No. வேணாங்க. Police, full action, or politician. Biopic is interesting. Sports girl mundiruchu. No, because see, for me as an actor, I always want to challenge myself and I want to do something more.
இவங்க கிட்ட அந்த ஒரு பெஸ்ட் அட்வைஸ் இந்த இண்டஸ்ட்ரியில் நான் வாங்கியிருக்கேன் அப்படின்னா நீங்கள் எந்த அட்வைஸை சொல்லுவீங்க?
I've received a lot of advices because I think I'm this person who asks for advices. I always love it when my co-stars or my directors or anyone who I'm working with come and tell me anything about life. I'll take it. So for me, the recent one of the best advices I've received is, you are the person who you choose to be. Like, you make your choices and that makes you the person who you are going to be tomorrow. So I was like, as an actor, that made the huge amount of sense, because if I choose the right films, I am going to be a superstar tomorrow. So to be a superstar, I need to choose right, no? So the choices make us. So I'm like, yeah, man, like the choices make us. And people keep saying women have the shelf life and all of that. But you know, one of my co-stars said, women don't have shelf life. They choose to have a shelf life because you guys work yourself out so much. By the mid 30s and 40s, you just want to retire and just chill. It's not like people got bored of you. It's because you got bored of working. So I'm like, that makes a lot of sense. And I don't want to be this person who has shelf life. Yeah, like so cool, no? Think about it. So I was like, now I'm not going to have a shelf life because I'm going to keep working. Keep working.
கார்த்தி சார் கிட்ட இருந்து இந்த ஒரு குவாலிட்டியை வந்து நான் வந்து எடுத்துப்பேன், இதை நான் வந்து ஃபாலோ பண்ணால் எனக்கும் நல்லது அப்படின்னா நீங்கள் எந்த குவாலிட்டியை சூஸ் பண்ணுவீங்க?
I think with Karthi sir, it would be being present. Being present. I think he's extremely present to the reality. Even if he's such a big star, like I said, when he's around, he's just us, you know. And I believe that I'm not a star yet, but when I get to where he is now, I want to be like him. You know, it's that. And Baki sir, I think Baki sir is one baby. So I have a mama, again, protective feel towards him. So what do I take from him? Dealing with everything the way he does. I don't know if I can do it or if I'm doing it, but when I see it, I like it.
நிறைய விஜய் தேவரகொண்டா அவர்களோட நீங்க பேர் பண்ணிட்டீங்க தெலுங்குல. ஸோ தமிழ் பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் யார் கூட நடிக்கணும்னு ஆசைப்படுறீங்க?
Anna, I've worked with so many people. How can you just ask me about him? No, of course, he's a very dear friend of mine, and 2 films I've done with him, and 2 of my biggest films, of course, because the script was like that. It demanded certain, the amount and whatever. But I think, like you asked me, I've taken a lot of advices from him also, and like I said, I found a friend in him also.
தளபதி 66 அட்லீஸ்ட் வந்து எதிர்பார்க்கலாமா ராஷ்மிகாவை? அந்த மாதிரி ஏதாவது ஒரு டாக்ஸ் வந்ததா உங்களுக்கு?
இல்ல மேம், பெரிய ஃபேன் மேம், அவ்வளோதான், பெரிய ஃபேன். ஆனால் வில்லை அம்மா ஆமா இல்லை அம்மம்மா இல்லை. But one day I hope I get to work with him. One day I hope I get to meet him. But I've been a huge fan.
ஸோ ஃபைனலாக நீங்கள் ஃபேன்ஸுக்கு சுல்தான் பற்றி என்ன சொல்ல விரும்புகிறீங்க?
இது வந்து ஆக்சுவலி நான் டெபியூ ஃபிலிம்ங்க தமிழ். ஸோ ரொம்ப எக்ஸைட்டடாக இருக்கேன், ரொம்ப நர்வஸாக இருக்குது. ஆனால் சுல்தான் டீசர் பார்த்தீங்க, சுல்தான் சாங்ஸ் பார்த்தீங்க, இப்போது ட்ரெய்லர் கூட வந்துட்டு இருக்கு 5 o'clock. ஸோ ஐம் கான்ஃபிடென்ட், ஏன்னா திஸ் ஃபில்ம் இஸ் a mass commercial mass entertainer with a message, and you know I love being a part of such films. And performances romba nalla irukku, characters romba nalla irukku, and direction, the cinematography, everything romba nalla irukku, and I'm proud to be a part of this film. And this is my debut film, so it vandu enakku romba close ana film. So I hope you enjoy it from the bottom of my heart. Nama ellaru romba we've worked hard for this film, so I hope you enjoy it, and take care of yourself. Yes.
நீங்கள் மற்ற மொழிகளையும் நடிச்சுட்டு தமிழ்லையும் நடிக்கிறீங்க. ஸோ கம்பேரிட்டிவ்லி தமிழில் நடிக்கிறது ஈஸியாக இருக்கா இல்லை எப்படி இருக்கு?
No, I think தமிழில் வந்து I've always been related to Tamil somewhere or the other. I've been watching Tamil, or I love people from Tamil Nadu. I'm not saying it because I'm here, but generally because I've had history here, I have some sort of connection here. So I think கஷ்டமான ஒன்றுமே இல்லைங்க, but for me it just takes 1-2 days to get comfortable with the language. 3rd, 4th day I'm just like saying dialogues on spot. So I think I'm happy to be a part of Tamil industry. I hope people send us support. And yeah, I'm here. I'm finally here. That's all. Thank you.
இனிமே படத்தை பார்த்து வாங்காதீங்க. 100% கடலை எண்ணெயான்னு படிச்சு பார்த்து வாங்குங்க.
கடலை எண்ணெயில் நம்பர் 1 மிஸ்டர் கோல்ட் 100% கடலை எண்ணெய்.